In this video, I will be talking about Gervonta Davis liver shot that has resulted in the knockout of Ryan King Garcia. So I am Dr. Haroon Ilyas, and if you are into mechanics and anatomy of sports injuries, consider subscribing to this channel. So our abdomen consists of 9 regions, and one of the regions is called the right hypochondrium region, and it is the point where Gervonta Davis has connected with Ryan King Garcia, and it is the right upper quadrant of the abdomen, and this portion consists of liver and other vital organs. So along with liver and few other vital structures, there are also ribs present over this region, and as Gervonta Davis has connected with Ryan King Garcia at this point, this shot wasn't able to put Ryan King Garcia down right away, but Ryan King Garcia took a few steps and he tried to fight off, but his body could not able to maintain a stable position and he went on the knee. So let us now break it down what has resulted in this delayed knockout of Ryan King Garcia by the Gervonta Davis left hook. And as we know, liver is surrounded by a fibrous capsule, and this fibrous capsule is supplied by vagus nerve. Vagus nerve is one of the cranial nerves, and it is a part of autonomic nervous system, and by autonomic nervous system I mean that it is a kind of nervous system that is responsible for making the body run on its own, as compared to sympathetic nervous system that is more concerned with fight and flight mechanism. So as soon as the shot has been fired from Gervonta Davis, the fibrous capsule and the vagus nerve become stimulated. That has resulted in the vasodilation of the vessels of the body, and when there is a vasodilation of the body vessels, the heart rate usually goes up, but as the vagus nerve has been stimulated, the heart rate, instead of going upward, it goes downward, and when the heart is not pumping enough blood into the veins, into the vessels of the body, the blood pressure goes down, and when the blood pressure goes down, the brain tries to recover the blood pressure, and it tries to put body in a supine position so that the blood could be distributed all along the body. So this is the main reason when a fighter connects his opponent with the liver shot in the right upper quadrant of the abdomen, he usually goes down on the ground as the brains try to send signals to maintain the blood pressure, and it is not just being done by putting the body in a supine position, but there are various type of signal that brain sends in order to maintain the blood pressure. This is a kind of incident that we have seen with Ryan King Garcia over here, as he wasn't able to continue the fight after receiving a hefty blow in his right upper quadrant. So another thing that could have been happened here is there could be a liver laceration, because as the punch has been thrown, there are few ribs that are called the floating ribs, and if one of the rib has been fractured and dislodges into the liver, that could result in the tearing and or penetrating trauma of the liver. So this is it from this video. If you are into mechanics and anatomy of sports injuries, consider subscribing to this channel, and let me know in the comment section down below what you think of this video.